Hi. Let's learn about bond quote definition and how to read for trading. A bond quote provides the current price at which a bond is traded in the market. It's essential for investors and traders to gauge the value of a bond in the marketplace. Understanding bond quotes helps investors compare different bonds and decide which bonds to buy or sell. Reading a bond quote may initially seem complex, but it's straightforward with a little guidance. The price in a bond quote is usually listed as a percentage of its face value, which is typically $1,000. This percentage is then converted to a numeric value and multiplied by 10 to determine the cost per bond. The yield is the annual return on the bond, expressed as a percentage. The most common yield metric used is yield to maturity, which estimates the bond's total return if held to maturity, assuming all coupon and principal payments are made as scheduled. The maturity date is when the bond will be repaid in full. The coupon rate is the annual interest rate paid on the bond. The bond's credit rating reflects the bond issuer's creditworthiness and the likelihood of default. Bonds are quoted as a percentage of their $1,000 or $100 face value. Face value quotes allow you to easily calculate the bond's dollar price by multiplying the quote by the face value. This is the most common method for quoting U.S. Treasury bonds. Bonds are quoted by their annual yield to maturity based on their current market price. Yield quotations allow easier comparison of bonds based on their yields rather than dollar prices. Corporate and municipal bonds are typically quoted by yield. Some bonds are simply quoted as a dollar price, without reference to face value. Pure price quotes are useful for bonds that don't have a standard $1,000 face value, like some mortgage-backed and asset-backed securities. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. A bond quote supplies the price and other details of a bond. 2. Bond quotes are expressed as a percentage of par or face value and converted to a point scale. 3. The par value is traditionally set at 100, representing 100% of a bond's $1,000 face value. 4. Bond quotes may also be expressed as fractions. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.